Are you tired of watching your hard-earned money slip away every month without knowing where it went? You're not alone. The truth is, most of us waste money on small things every single day, things we don't even think about. But the good news is, with just a few simple everyday changes, you can stop the leaks and start saving consistently. In this video, I'll walk you through practical, everyday money-saving tips that actually work. And by the end of this video, you'll be ready to take back control of your finances without feeling deprived. Let's start with the big one: daily coffee runs. It might seem harmless to grab a $4 or $5 coffee each morning, but that adds up to over $100 per month, more than $1,200 a year. Instead, invest in a good coffee maker and make your favorite brew at home. You'll still enjoy your morning routine, but at a fraction of the cost. Next, let's talk about eating out. Ordering food or eating at restaurants may feel convenient, but it's one of the biggest money drains. Cooking at home, even simple meals, can save you hundreds every month. And you don't have to be a chef. The few basic recipes and weekly meal planning, you'll not only save money, but eat healthier too. Another major tip: always shop with a list. Whether you're going to the grocery store or shopping online, going in without a list almost always leads to overspending. A shopping list keeps you focused and helps you avoid impulse purchases, especially those just-in-case items that add up quickly. Now, let's talk about subscription services. Do you really watch all 5 streaming platforms you're subscribed to? Or use that expensive gym membership that renews every month? Take a moment to audit your subscriptions. Cancel the ones you're not using regularly. Even small monthly charges like $5 or $10 can snowball into hundreds per year. Also, one of the easiest ways to save money is by tracking your spending daily. There are free budgeting apps like Mint or Every Dollar that let you track where your money's going. When you track it, you become more mindful. When you're mindful, you're less likely to waste money on things you don't need. Here's another effective tip: practice the 24-hour rule before any non-essential purchase. This means if you see something you want to buy, wait 24 hours before buying it. Most of the time, the urge fades, and you realize you didn't really need it. This simple pause can prevent so many impulse purchases. Let's not forget about energy and utility savings. Leaving lights on, keeping appliances plugged in, or using inefficient bulbs can waste money over time. Switch to LED bulbs, unplug unused electronics, and turn off lights when not in use. These habits seem small, but can shave off $20, $30 from your monthly bill. Do you buy bottled water regularly? Stop. Instead, invest in a reusable water bottle and a filter. This one-time purchase can save you hundreds in a year while also helping the environment. Another tip that works wonders: buy in bulk when it makes sense. Non-perishable items like rice, pasta, cleaning supplies, or even toiletries are often cheaper when bought in larger quantities. You'll make fewer trips to the store and get better prices per unit. And here's one more powerful habit set: no spend days every week. Designate at least 2 or 3 days each week where you don't spend anything. No online shopping, no takeout, nothing. These breaks in spending help reset your habits and reduce the urge to spend unnecessarily. Let's do a quick recap. Make coffee at home, cook your meals, use a shopping list, cancel unused subscriptions. Track your spending daily, wait 24 hours before buying, save energy, stop buying bottled water, buy in bulk, and set no spend days. These may sound simple, but they really work. By applying even just a few of these everyday tips, you could save $300 to $500 or more every month without making extreme changes to your lifestyle. It's all about being intentional and building better habits, one day at a time. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who's trying to save money too. If you want more practical personal finance videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.